We have here a Western Electric Data Precision miniature triphasic digital multimeter. This was manufactured in 1980, model 245KS. It comes with the meter, as you see here, and it's pretty small. And I will be taking the back off and showing you the battery pack. There's the input section and carrying strap. It's an AC/DC ohm meter and DC and AC milliamp millimeter. It comes with this case, leather case, where the meter and an external power supply and the leads all are part of the kit. And then there's the leads, the original leads that came with it. And I'll slide that out and take a look at those. They have an unusual connector here that plugs into the end of the meter, and they are fused. The positive lead is fused. I'll take, let me turn the camera off for a second and I'll pull the sleeve off. And there's the fuse. And these leads were manufactured by the Pomona company, which some of you I'm sure are familiar with. Pomona Electronics out of California produced electronic equipment and leads, and apparently they used this, contracted with this organization, Western Electric did, to produce this special set of leads for this meter, because it has this special connector on the end here that plugs into the connector there, marked common and positive lead. So what I've done is I pulled the battery pack out, and you'll see the pack in just a minute, but it had these NiCad AA cells in the rechargeable battery pack, and of course they're corroded and swollen and ruined, having been in there for their entire life since 1980. And so I purchased 6 new AA NiCads, and I cut open the plastic holder that these batteries were currently in, and I've inserted and soldered these new NiCads in, and this pack fits into the meter. So let's take a look and see how the meter displays. Pull this cover off. I already have the screws out, of course, and turn it around here and take this battery pack. You can see down inside right there are the terminals for the battery pack. These are the calibration screws, and there's a DC voltage input. So I'll pop this in, snaps in place, and I would put this cover back on. It takes a couple of screws here, but I wanted to just turn the meter on and let you take a look at the display. And you can see it's displaying, it's got light emitting diodes, and it's displaying on the screen. It will zero eventually on most of the ranges. I guess it does zero out on AC, and I don't think it's going to zero out on DC. Not sure why that is. Probably a component or something inside that's a little flaky. But it has the 110, 100, 1000, and 10 meg ohm range, or 10 meg. 10 meg ohm range. So the decimal point moves, as you can see, depending upon your setting of the range for AC or DC. And so it's a great little meter. It's going to be a nice addition to the bench. I'll put it up here somehow and be able to use it. It's just a tiny little thing, designed to be portable, of course. But I thought you would find it interesting to see it working now with the new battery pack in it. And just a great piece of electronic history. Manufactured in the 80s, calibrated here in June of 1980. And like I said, it comes with a little short operator manual and a certificate of conformance and the actual manual, which does include, of course, instructions, but the schematics and block diagram of how it's designed to work. So great find at an antique store for $5. A great find. I'm really proud of it, and I look forward to being able to use it in some of my electronic repair videos in the future. Thanks for watching.